Hey there! Welcome to the Smoothie Diet Journey. Are you ready to transform your body in just 21 days? Imagine feeling more energetic, confident, and healthier than ever before. If you've been struggling with weight loss, I've got the perfect solution for you, the Smoothie Diet. This isn't just another fad, it's a lifestyle change that's easy to stick to. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another diet, another disappointment. But let me assure you, this one's different. It's designed to be simple, effective, and enjoyable. It's super simple, easy to follow, and perfect for anyone, even if you work 12 hours a day or have a busy family life. No more excuses. So let me break down the 3 easy steps to your new body. These steps are designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Step 1, download the plan. It's quick and easy. Head over to our secure website and download the plan instantly. No waiting, no hassle. You'll get access within minutes and can read it on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. It's that easy. You can start planning your meals right away. Step 2, replace 2 meals per day. This is where the magic happens. By replacing 2 of your meals with our delicious smoothie recipes, you'll start to see and feel the difference almost immediately. Replace 2 of your meals with our delicious smoothie recipes. These smoothies are packed with nutrients and are incredibly satisfying. You won't believe how tasty and satisfying they are. Each recipe is crafted to ensure you get the right balance of vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Plus, you still get to enjoy 1 whole food meal and up to 2 snacks per day. No starving yourself here. You'll be eating real, wholesome food that keeps you full and energized. Step 3, slim your waist. In 21 days, this is the exciting part. Follow the plan for 21 days and watch the pounds melt away. You'll be amazed at how quickly you see results. After that, you can either continue losing weight or use our transition guide to maintain your new body forever. It's really that simple. We provide all the tools you need to keep the weight off for good. No complicated meal preps, no counting calories, and no feeling deprived. Just straightforward, enjoyable eating. Just delicious smoothies, a balanced meal, and a couple of snacks. It's a plan that's easy to stick to and fits into any lifestyle. Thousands have already transformed their bodies and lives with the Smoothie Diet, and you can too. Hear from real people who have achieved amazing results. So what are you waiting for? The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Download the plan and start your journey to a slimmer, healthier you today. Take the first step towards a new you. Remember, the best investment you can make is in your health. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Your journey to a healthier life starts now. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Click on the link in the description below to order your copy today. Catch you next time. Stay healthy and happy.